Good morning students. Today we will start our chapter number first. Number system. Number system. Chapter first. Number. In this chapter we will study about number names, what will come after, before, ascending order, descending order, place value, compare all these things and showing. In this chapter we will study about 5 digit. Exercise first A. 5 digit that represent like this: ones, tens, hundred, thousand, and 10,000. 0, 0, 0, 0, and 1. 9, 9, 9, 9, 9. 1 digit, 2, 3, 4, 5. In 5 digit, 10,000 is a smallest number, and 99,999 is a largest number in 5 digit. In previous class we already studied 4 digit. In 4 digit, 1000 is the smallest number and 9999 is the largest number. But 5 digit, 10,000 is the smallest number and 99,999 is the largest number. Now, come, listen. First, given below are the names and approximate lengths of some of the river of India. They have given you kilometer distance. First, Ganga 2500 kilometer, Yamuna 1376 kilometer, Godavari 1465 kilometer, Krishna 1290 kilometer, Brahmaputra 2900 kilometer, Mahanadi 900 kilometer. Now write the above lengths. Above means ऊपर वाली चीजें, उनकी length लिखनी है in words. In words में लिखना है आपको, and then arrange them in ascending order. Now then after then you have to arrange it here in ascending order. Ascending order means you have to write smaller than bigger. I am showing you. First, they have written here Ganga. Now, you have to write Ganga 2500 kilometer in number names. Ganga 2500, here you have to write in number names. 2000, 500. Like this you have to write from above to downside. Same you have to copy. Yamuna they have written. Here also Yamuna written. They are telling you 1376. So you have to write here 1376. Same you have to copy from here. Okay. And then they are asking you ascending order. It means they have mentioned here small boxes, so you have to write in ascending order. First of all, you have to find out from here which is the smallest. This is 2000, this is 1000, this is also 1000, 1000, 2000, and this is 900. So 900 is the smallest digit. So you have to write in this first box 900. Now after that what will come? 900, which is the bigger than 900? 2, 1, 1, 1. So you will not take 2. We will compare between 1000, 1000 and 1000. After 1000 what is there? 300. Here 400, here 200. It means 200 is a smaller digit. So we will take 1290 after 900. Same you have to just find out ascending order. In previous class already we have studied about ascending order. Same you have to do it. Okay. This you have to do only in your book. Now come exercise number first 8. Page number 7. Question number first. Read the number shown on the abacus and write the space provided. They have given you here abacus. Now you have to just write it here numbers. I am just showing you. 1000, 100, tens and ones. They have given you like this. Now, you have to count these beads. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. Then you have to write it here 7. Then 1, 2, 3, 4. Then you have to write here 4. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Here you have to write 5. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. 1, 2, 3. Like this you have to count it the beads and then write the downside where the space provide you. Same you have to do B, C, D, E, F in your book only. Okay. Now come to question number 2. I am again repeating first question you have to do in your book only. You have to count the beads and write the space provided here. Now come to question number 2. This you have to do in your copy. Represent the following 5-digit numbers on the abacus and write their number names. You have to do same abacus you have to show in your copy like this and then write the number names. I am explaining you first A. Question number 2. A part 9, 0, 9, 0, 9. This you have to show like this abacus in your copy. Ones, tens, 100, 1000, 10,000. So you have to just mention here 10,000 first of all, then 1000, then 100, then tens and then ones. In ones 9 written, so you have to just make a 9 beads here. In good handwriting you have to do it. 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. It should be neat and clean. In tens, they are written 0. It means you have not to draw any bead. You have to leave this box because they are telling you 0. It means nothing, you have to draw it. Now come to 100. In 100 place you have to again, what they are telling 9. It means you have to just draw 9 beads. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. Like this. Now move to 1000. They are telling 0. It means you have not to do any beads. Now come to 10,000. 9. Again you have to draw it here 9. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. Now this number you have to write it downside like this. 9. Nothing is there. 0, 9, 0 and 9. First of all, second question A part you have to do like this and then they are telling number names. Downside you have to write number names. I am showing you. A part you have to write 90, 1000, 90,000, 900, 900, then 9. You have to do like this. Question number 2, A part, 2 answers are there. One is abacus and second is number name. Same as it is, you have to do second question in your copy. Second question, B part, C part, D part and E part you have to do in your copy. Now move to third question. Third question, write a numeral for the number names. You have to write numeral for the number name. Number name given, you have to write numeral. Numeral means in your figure you have to write. Question number 3, I am explaining you A part. 65,616. In your, you have to write in figure 65. You have to write 65,600. This is 600 and 16. And this is 16. This is ones. This is tens. This is 100. This is 1000. This is 10,000. 65,616. This is the answer. Same as it is, you have to do B, C, D, E, F, G, H as a homework in your copy. This is your homework. Now you have to do first question in book, second question in copy and third question also in your copy. If you are having any problem, we will discuss tomorrow. Rest of questions are 4 and 5 we will do tomorrow. Okay? Now, thank you.